So, hi everyone, this is Mitlesh from this side, and I'm talking to you from Bihar. And today I'm so thankful, and I especially thank to Mr. I don't know what is his name. What's your name, brother?
Anil Kumar. My name
Anil.
is Anil Kumar.
And I would be so thankful to Mr. Anil who has invited me on this platform. And today, actually, I'm so happy because right now I'm introducing myself. So, if I talk about my educational qualification, I am an arts graduate, and presently I'm teaching English. And simultaneously, I have been working my channel, and I have been working there for 5 months. And if I talk about my interest, I love making videos on different social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, yeah, etc. And if I talk about my family background, I have one brother and I have two sisters, and both are got married. So that's it. So now, Mr. Anil, it's your turn. Okay, please go ahead.
Okay. Sir, as I already told you, my name is Anil Kumar and I am from Madhya Pradesh. And I have done my 12th classes in 2021. And right now I am pursuing my BSc third year. And if I talk about of my strength, so my strength is teaching in math subject. You can consider. And if I talk about of my family background, so there are four members in my family: me and my little brother and my parents also. You can consider. And uh, you I have a channel. That channel name is Bada Mat. In Bada.
Okay, exactly. You are doing great job. Okay, I think it's your learning stage, and definitely it will go better in upcoming time. Okay, so I think instead of speaking such kind of thing, okay, I think you should make the the good content. Okay, do not think about the result, do not think about the consequence. Okay, you should keep working hard. Okay, and definitely one day your hard work, your the consequence will make noise for everywhere. Okay, so I think that if you are going to promote your channel, if you are saying that to the people, okay, that is fine, that is up to the mark. But I just tell you that being English language trainer, being a teacher, I just tell you that I think you should, keep working. You should, believe in yourself. Because if you believe in yourself, if you believe in your working, if you believe in your doing the work, okay, then definitely everything will be, rock. So I think, Anil, I just suggest you that, okay, not think about the result, okay, if I'll get the views, if I'll get the, subscriber or not. I think you should only, give the first priority to your, hard work, to your, work. Okay, so right now I'm new here. Okay, so if anybody has any question, okay, related to English language, if you are facing any kind of challenges, to speak English, to make sentences, okay, and please ask me. Anyone can ask. Okay, no, I'm not telling especially Anil. You can ask. Okay, if somebody is listening to me, okay, then they can ask, and I make sure that definitely I will be answering your all the question, okay, and you would be satisfied. Is there any question? Yes, hello.
Yeah, good
Good
morning.
morning.
How are you?
Yeah, everything is fine, and thank you so
Yeah,
much for asking. And how about
yes.
you?
My name is Susing, and I'm from Rajasthan, currently living in Gujarat and Ankleshwar, Surat city. And I hotel employee. My designation is front office manager. I have computer knowledge. I have computer diploma from Versatile Computer Ahmedabad. And
Great.
I am married. I have two kids, and my wife is also homemaker. My hobbies. I going tell you my hobby. My hobbies is play listening music and reading books, and that's it. And I am
Yeah.
30 years old.
Okay,
Sir,
so you are
actually,
here. So you are here to improve your English.
Sorry.
You are here to improve your English. Do you want to improve? Do you want to see improvement in yourself
Yes, 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 yes,
related to
yes.
your English?
Yeah. This language are you master? You're a very knowledgeable person. So uh, how is improve this level, and how can improve this learning this language?
Mhm. First of all, thank you so much for asking this question, okay? And this is a very beautiful question. And I just tell you, brother, okay, I'm not a teacher, okay? I'm your brother, okay? Always consider me as a brother. Do not, even I do not think about myself, I'm a teacher, I'm a trainer, okay? But whatever I have knowledge, whatever idea about English language, okay, I try to share, because as I believe that sharing is the best way of learning. If I want to upgrade myself, if I want to brush up myself, then I should teach to the people. I should share this knowledge. And if I talk about how I became so fluent in English and how I learned so many things in my life, so I only I only can say that it comes only by practicing, because I believe that practice is that that will make you smart, that will make you perfect that. So you should do practice, no matter in which condition you are, no matter where are you from, you should practice. Because if you are going to speak English, if you are going to talk to anyone, so you need to speak more and more. Do not think about if you do not have a partner, if you have know anyone, then talk to yourself. That is self talk. Ask the question to yourself, like, what's your name, where are you from, why do you learn English. So ask to yourself, and then you also reply that question, okay. Like, I just take an example, okay. Like right now, I'm the person that, and I am asking the question with myself. Hi Mitlesh, how are you today? You are looking so energetic. Oh, thank you so much, brother. Okay, today I'm looking so energetic. Do you know why? Because I am the participant of this group, and they are students are so excited, and they all are looking so charming. Okay. Oh, great, Mitlesh. So today, could you please share some tips how to learn English? Yeah, exactly, I can share some tips. Okay. Because learning English is not a big deal. Okay, that is quite easy task. Okay, everybody can speak English. Oh, Mitlesh, really, you have a good knowledge about English language. Okay, so how did you learn this language? Okay, if I just talk about how I learned English language. Okay, so that was the very funny moment. Okay. Once I went to Delhi. Okay. And somebody had made fun of me. And that time I just thought that, okay, I should learn English. Okay, so in this way I just learned English. Oh, Mitlesh, you face such a amazing, you face such a difficult situation, that's why you learned English. Yeah, exactly. So this is called self talk. In this way I try to talk to the people. I try to talk to myself. I never try to find a people to talk, okay, who comes to me and they talk to me. Okay, so in this way I am getting much improvement in myself. You can see that, okay, on my face. Okay, there is no any hesitation. I do not have any kind of problem. I can easily to communicate with any person. Okay, so I think the practice is the key, that will make you speak, and that will make you the great speaker of English language. I hope that you got the answer from my side.